What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show the mod that we got in for the Sig Sauer P320 X carry. This is what they call the gas pedal, which is just their takedown. So this was the factory takedown. There's several videos out there about how to even take down the Sig Sauer because it's so difficult. And that may just be whenever these are new, but it was a pain in the butt. So the concept in here, you see this little ear. It starts out like that. You have to push it down all the way, bring it all the way back to where that ear is about that far back. And that is all the thumb placement that you have to actually do that. So that's what we installed. Let's go ahead and drop the mag. Get a safety check, nothing in there. So with this, all it is, bring the slide back, lock it, and then take the gas pedal all the way back. It's as simple as that. Unlock it, forward, and that's it. But it was very simple to do. I saw a couple people, I think on Amazon, complaining that they couldn't figure it out and that it didn't work for the X carry. It most certainly does work for the X carry. But you can actually see it in action without a slide on there. It just has to go all the way back. But that's it. And then if you're interested in this, this is an AliExpress item. I've got another video out about it. Other than that, that's pretty short and sweet for this one. Thanks for watching.